Hi, this is Hilal. In this video, we will look as what partial derivative is and how to find that partial derivatives. First of all, a partial derivative is a derivative where we hold some variables constant. In the partial derivative, we hold some variables constant. That is the intuition behind this. For example, if we have a function in more than two variables, that is f of x, y is equal to x square plus y cube. If we differentiate this function with respect to x, so we will write d f of xy times d of x. That is, we are partially differentiating this function with respect to x. Now the derivative of x square is 2x. Now since in this term there is no x, therefore this is treated as constant. So as we know that the differentiation or the derivative of the constant is 0. Clear? Now again, if we are taking the partial derivatives with respect to y in this equation, so we will write d f of xy divided by d of y. Now in this case we are differentiating with respect to y, means x is treated as constant, so the derivative of this x square will be 0 because it is treated as constant, plus now the derivative of y cube will be 3. This 3 will come to the as coefficient y 3 minus 1, and this will become 3y square. We can take another example. If we have f of xy is equal to x square y cube, so this function is also in two variables. If we take the partial derivatives, this means we are taking the derivatives with respect to x, partial derivatives, and here the partial derivatives with respect to y. So here we will write taking partial derivatives with respect to x. So now the derivative of this x will become x square will become 2x times, because this is constant, it will remain as coefficient, it will not become 0 because it is only a one term. So this will become y cube, that is 2xy cube is our answer here. Now if we take the partial derivative with respect to y, that will become dxy divided by dy. So this will become, here we are treating this as constant. This will not, one thing to be clear, since here this became the 0, it will not become, because it is the coefficient of this constant is coefficient of y cube here. So we will write x square and the derivative of y cube is 3y 3 minus 1. So this will become 3x square y square. So this was the intuition behind the partial derivatives, which is very easy to understand. Okay, in the next videos we will try to relate the partial derivatives in the economics. Thank you.